Sawadika. Our lesson for today is all about pitch and loudness of sound. What makes the sound different from one another? In general, we can tell the two sounds are different by their pitch and loudness. Pitch is how low or high a sound is. It depends on the frequency of vibrations of the sound. The frequency of the sound is the number of vibrations in a second. Hertz is the unit of frequency of a sound. It is written as big letter H and small letter Z. Hertz. The number of vibrations made in a second is less, and therefore it has a low frequency. The sound we can hear from it is a low pitch. The number of vibrations made in second is higher and more. It has a higher frequency. Therefore, we can hear a high-pitched sound from it. A low-pitched sound has a low frequency. Sound produced by a tuba has a low pitch. As a tuba player blows air into the instrument, the air molecules vibrate at a low frequency in the long tube of tuba. A high-pitched sound has a high frequency. A whistle produces a high-pitched sound. The air blown into the whistle vibrates at a high frequency. When we type with a keyboard, we gently tap the keys with our fingers. This uses less energy and therefore the vibration is weak and makes a soft sound. We can hear a loud sound when we hit our fist hard on the table. This is because we use more energy to hit the table and the vibration contains more energy. When we hear or when we are near to the radio, we can hear a loud sound from it. However, its sound becomes softer when we walk farther away from it. This is because when the sound travels, some energy becomes less when the sound reaches to our ears and therefore we hear the sound. Some sounds are pleasant, others are unpleasant. Loud and unpleasant sounds are called noises. We can use a sound level meter to measure the loudness of a sound. The unit of sound is decibel. This is what we call the sound level meter. So it has panel keys, display screen, electrical signal, diaphragm, and the sound waves. The diaphragm receives the sound waves. Listening to noises above 90 decibels to an extended period of time can damage the ears, and cause deafness. It is called noise pollution. Examples of noise pollutions are the sound produced by jackhammer, the construction site's heavy equipments such as excavators and many more, rock music in concert. Those are noise pollution actually. And the sound produced by the aircraft. It's really loud. What can we do to reduce and prevent noise pollution? Number 1, we should keep the volume at a reasonable level. We should wear ear protectors such as headset. And stay away from the sources of noise. That's all for today, and I hope you learned something from me. Thank you for attending my online class. This is Norbel Quatres. Kapun ka, sawadee ka.